respected guests, renowned Islamic scholars, my beloved teachers, brothers, and my friends, Assalamu alaikum. Nostalgia is memories with a happy ending. Although my journey of becoming an Islamic scholar has not completed yet, but it was quite nostalgic as to how I took admission in the Dars-e-Nizami program at Hidayah Academy. I would like to share the complete incident with all of you. It was Friday afternoon, 3:40 p.m., and our day at PF Keet University just finished. As per my usual schedule and habit, I was heading towards the room of my friend, Dr. Khalid Khan, who also is the director of the College of Computing and Information Sciences at PF Keet. I went there, and after some discussion about the university affairs, he inquired, "Are you free tomorrow?" I said, "Yes." "What happened?" He informed me that there is an academy by the name of Hidayah Academy, and they offer Dars-e-Nizami course on weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, for 4 to 4.5 hours each day. And if both of us can join that, then we can become Islamic scholars and alims. I said, "Khan साहब, तबीयत ठीक है आपकी? आप मुझे जानते हैं, फिर भी आप मुझे मदरसा ज्वाइन करने के लिए कह रहे हैं?" Finally, he was able to convince me that I should go there for a day and see that how I come to know about it. I remember the very next morning at 7 a.m. he was at my house. He picked me up, and together we came to Hidayah Academy. We took a few classes, and in one of the classes of Maulana Zuhaib, he was telling us about the rewards of being an Islamic scholar and an alim. And he said the thing which I really admire and which really took me up was that he said that if during the journey of becoming an alim you die, there is a very good amount of probability that you will be landing in Jannat. Since then, I decided that I will try my best to become an Islamic scholar and an alim. It has been 2 years since then, and the journey is superb. Under the guidance of Sheikh Azhar Iqbal Sahab and our beloved teachers and Islamic scholars like Maulana Nisar Sahab, Maulana Anwar Sahab, Maulana Salim Memon Sahab, Maulana Musa Sahab, Maulana Haris Sahab, and all others, I believe that I know much more about Islam and the Holy Quran than I ever did in my life. My simple message to all of you who are sitting over here is that if, like me, you are looking forward to seek Islamic education, Hidayah Academy is the appropriate place for that. And in the end, I would just say that when I can, trust me, you also can. Jazakallah.